Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check up user last online on Discord. So let's go into the Discord mobile application here. And as you go into the Discord here, you will find basically that some people, you can see that it will never show that whether they are online or not, right? And they are doing it because if you just go to the profile icon and here you can just set your status, right? And even though I'm online, and if I just select the invisible, then nobody will come to know I'm the online. So I think your friends are doing the same thing, but if I want to check that, you can basically do one thing, that even they are in the invisible mode, you have to just go to the any of the server. So for example, if I just go to the server here, and this is the server, and if I click on the top right side corner, you will see that all the person who are right now online, right? And basically it will show it. So in this way you can just find them, that the person who is online or not, even though they are in the invisible mode. So this is it guys. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.